Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6S, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, let's pull up the app tray, and in here open the standalone contacts app. And if you don't have any contacts already on the device, you will see this panel right here, which is a really nice touch and simplifies the contact import process. So you would simply tap on import contact from SIM card, and once you tap on it, it provides you with all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now on mine there isn't very many, as you can see, and all you need to do here is select the contacts that you want and import. But assuming you have a contact here, then this panel will not be visible at all, and I'll show you how to do it if you have some kind of contact. So from here you will just tap the two dots, go into the settings, and then SIM card contacts. And here you have all the contacts that are on your SIM card. So again, let's tap on the two dots, and you want to go to export. And again, select the ones that you want. And once you have selected them, the same process, export here, and you can see two contacts exported. Now, if you open it to the SIM card like I just did, it will be named exporting, while if you do it with the panel is visible, it's called importing. Kind of weird mixing up here, but basically both of them do the same thing, even though they're supposedly should do two opposite things. But once you see, it adds contacts into the contacts list, and that's all that matters. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.